I'm WLWT meteorologist Randy Rico, and we are under a wind advisory for this Wednesday until 8 o'clock tonight. Now, if you remember back to the weekend, we did have very strong winds on Saturday. The winds on Saturday gusted in the 60-mile-an-hour range. Won't be quite that bad, but still the potential for some lights to flicker through the afternoon, maybe some tree limbs to come down. Winds are increasing through the morning. They'll be strongest mid-afternoon into the evening. Steady winds expected 15 to 30 miles an hour. We could see gusts in the 40 to 45-mile-an-hour range. So it's going to be a very windy afternoon and also eventually turn pretty wet. So hold on to your hats, hold on to literally everything this afternoon. At lunchtime, windy but still dry, 58. As we head toward 3 o'clock or so, gusty winds expected and some spotty downpours will be at 61. That's our high. By 6 o'clock tonight, off and on rain, very gusty. We are in the 50s. So doesn't bode well for getting the Reds game delay free tonight. Let's take a look at the futurecast. You can see as we head toward 2 and 3 o'clock, not everybody's seeing the rain, but a couple spots getting a decent downpour. There may be a rumble of thunder in there, though I think for the most part, it's just rain. Expected that around the downtown for the evening commute. Now this particular futurecast is showing a little window of opportunity there right around game time, but you can see what's just off to the west at that point. Showers, maybe some thunder and lightning rolling in, fairly consistent in every model I've looked at from about 8 o'clock to 11 p.m. tonight. So definitely looks like a possibility for delays for tonight's Reds opening night. You can see the back edge of that steadier rain not really rolling through until 11 o'clock or so. So if you are headed out tonight, plan on the potential for a long night. The opening night forecast looks like this. At this point, it's kind of a tradition. I think the last two have had long delays. First pitch temperature about 55 degrees. By the last out, 51. So again, it's going to be windy. It's going to be wet. So plan ahead for that. Futurecast heading on in through the overnight. Still some spotty showers, and tomorrow will be gray, gloomy, way cooler, and occasional showers. So tomorrow the Reds have a day game. Same deal. Occasional light showers are going to be a possibility. They really don't fade tomorrow until after sunset. So your forecast for today, 61, very windy and occasionally wet. Dipping to 43 tonight, only 49 tomorrow with off and on showers. On Friday, rain showers are lingering and they may end as a couple of flurries late Friday night. Saturday, kind of a dismal day, cloudy, very cold, highs only in the upper 30s, not at all spring-like, and maybe a round of flurries for a couple of towns late Saturday night. The only really nice day in the 7-day forecast is Sunday, sunshine and a high in the mid-upper 50s.